How'd went and him out, man. Boy, look at the mess we got going on. We got bacon, I got coffee grounds, I got a homemade candle, biscuits. We're camping out back here. I got water, I got gravy, sausage gravy on the fire. Oh, is that cup in there? All right. I got my disc strainer with some coffee grounds in it. Before it pulls all the water out of it, I'm gonna get some coffee in. That sausage and gravy over there should be about done. We had hamburgers, hot dogs. I did a couple hobo meals last night, me and the wife. The biscuits. We did the biscuits in the Dutch oven over there. But yeah, Dutch oven back there. And that frying pan's got the sausage gravy stuff in it. So anyway, good times. Take care, everybody. Scott Hayward, I will get that knife review out. Here it is. Just a little sneak peek. Anyway, take care, everybody. SD Mountain out.